It's Nick from Shop Last, and boy, have you just been trying to find a good pot, but just can't find one? You know what I mean?
Do you have any of that, blaze it? What a shame.
No, not that pot, silly. These pot. These pot. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good terracotta pot, but they're hard to find in the right shape I want them and the right size I want them. And so I thought, well, what if we could make terracotta pots without actually making a terracotta pot? So some research on the old interwebs to see if I can find a solution to our little dilemma, and I think I might have found something. So on Home Depot's website, I found this. It's Rust-Oleum's American Accents Terracotta Fine Textured Spray Paint. It looks pretty promising, and shucks guys, we're gonna see if it works. Here they are. They came out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, they look pretty awesome. They have a nice little texture on them, kind of like terracotta. They're a little darker than I kind of wish they were. I wish they were kind of more of like that really light, almost pinkish terracotta. But all in all, pretty awesome way to repurpose pots that you don't like the color of, that have a good silhouette. Still have to find plants for these guys, but this is a win. This is pretty awesome. I think this opens up a lot of opportunities for finding the right pot for your plant. So good job, Rust-Oleum, great product, really easy to use, goes on really thick, and check out this texture. You can see it. It's got some texture on there. Pretty cool. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys found this video interesting. I know it's kind of a simple one, but I never considered that you could just paint a pot a different color. It's kind of ridiculous, I never thought about that, but I didn't. So hopefully you find this useful. I sure did. I think this is awesome and opens up a lot of opportunities for pots that I want for my plants. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.